GBPUSD analysis today. Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video, we'll talk about pound against dollar. So before we start the video, if you are new to the channel, then make sure you subscribe, like and share and check out all these things. Below the video, you will find a link says swing trading on automation. So if you want to grow your money 27% by doing nothing on automation, then check out the first link. And then if you want to consult with me, then you can book your consultation with me and join free Telegram, this and that. Go and check out these things. Subscribe, like, share. Coming back to the chart, starting your top-down approach with weekly time frame. Weekly, we have taken the stop losses as you can see here. So this is our liquidity hunt, which has successfully happened. Okay, so now we are secured, right? If you know what I'm talking about, good. Otherwise, follow my channel. Okay, so this was your previous high, and this is a wick. I told you in my last video that this week might easily turn red. Okay, so or this will turn like a bearish hammer maybe by today, by tomorrow, by Friday. Okay, the time will tell. But the liquidity grab has happened, or it's in action right now while we speak. So we come to daily. This is your pullback time. This was your exhaustion. So pullback will happen. Coming back to 4 hour. If you're a short-term trader, for some time look for shorts. Otherwise, wait for the clean pullback rejection from the EMA to go long. If to go long, okay. But for next few days, we will be going short, I guess. Okay, so that's it for GBPUSD. Same as Euro USD. Go and watch my Euro USD video too. Subscribe, like, and share. Check